Assalamualaikum, hello my GSM friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove FRP lock Huawei Y6 Prime, Wi-Fi Prime, only test point method without any box and tools, just using FC Flash Tool latest version B5.1824. Download it and open it. Then you need to choose manual DA file. Y6 Prime FRP file DA by GSM folder, select it, choose the scatter, select Android scatter file root, then authentication file, click choose out by GSM folder out, and now go to format tab, select manual format flash, type format, address, second format length. And if you are a new viewer of my YouTube channel, so please subscribe this channel for latest mobiles related solution. Copy format length, paste it, open device manager, because when you connect your phone you can see mobile is connected or not. Then open any browser, go to google.com, search your model number type and search test point mode. It's MRDLX on F, test point. Now click image and click any image, then you can see its second point to GND, shorting, then connect USB cable. It's fail, don't worry, again trying. Again connect. If you like this video, so please like, comment, share this video and subscribe my YouTube channels. And here it's success, FRP lock remove is success. So subscribe my channels and share this video for everyone, helping. So today for bye bye, next time see you soon again with new video, new mobile software related solution. So bye bye.